Hey there everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to unlock your iPhone X from Xfinity Mobile. Alright, so maybe you have Xfinity Mobile on your iPhone X, but you want to be able to use it on another carrier, or you need to travel overseas and you need to unlock it to be able to use it with other companies. So that's what I'm going to be doing in this video. I'm going to show you how to unlock it so that you can do that. You're going to go ahead and take out your SIM card. Alright, and we're going to go ahead and place in the SIM card from another carrier that we're going to use. So in this case, we're going to just put in an AT&T SIM card to try it out. And automatically it's going to go to this screen right here, activation required. Okay, and the reason it does this is because the phone is locked to Xfinity Mobile. So here you're going to have to connect to Wi-Fi and go through these settings here. Go through these setup options. And it's going to give you this message right here, which says SIM not supported. And the reason it says this is because the phone is locked and we're placing in a different SIM card from another carrier. So I'm going to show you how we're going to bypass this and unlock it. So we're going to remove that SIM card we were trying to use. I'll just place it right here for now. And we're going to be unlocking it with this unlock chip that we have right here. So it's a very thin unlock chip. And it's going to help us do that. There's going to be a link down below in the description where you can get the right one. So we're going to place in the chip in here like this carefully and gently place it in like this. Okay, there's going to be plenty of space left for you to put your SIM card right above it like that. So just place your SIM card on there right on top of it. And once you have it in there correctly, just place it in the phone gently. So it's going to ask us to go through the activation process once again. So just hit dismiss. Go ahead and hit continue. And it's going to give us this message once again, SIM not supported. But the thing is that now, since we have the unlock chip in there, we're going to go ahead and do something different to unlock it. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to press and hold the power button. And this menu is going to come up here. We're going to hit emergency call. Here we're going to type in *5005 *7672 *0# and hit the dial pad. And then here we're just going to scroll all the way down to the bottom option, which is edit ICCID. Here's where we're going to type in the current ICCID, which will also be down below in the description. All right, and the current one right now is 8901 4104 2778 0604 9973. Hit send once you have it in there. It's going to say setup OK, so hit accept. Alright, and then we're just going to power the phone off and then power it back on. So let it power off. Alright, looks like it's powered off, so let's go ahead and power it back on now. Alright, there we go. So the phone is on. So now we're going to go through the activation steps here once again. But now that the unlock chip is in there and we put in the correct code, it's going to bypass it and unlock it. And there you go. So as you can see, it skipped the whole SIM not supported thing. It unlocked it now. So you can go ahead and use the phone now with whatever carrier it is that you wanted to use it with, as long as it's a GSM carrier. You know, most SIM card carriers are GSM carriers. And if your service is activated on your SIM card, you should pick up signal and data right away. Alright everyone, so that was just a quick video on how to unlock your Xfinity Mobile iPhone X. Please go ahead and give this video a like, and I'll see you around in the next video. Peace.